Hey friends, in a previous video I may have referenced that my 6200 BTU LG window air conditioner was R410A cooled, and it's not. It's actually R32. They're both hydrofluorocarbons as opposed to hydrochlorofluorocarbons. R410A and R32 do not have any chlorides in them, which depletes the ozone layer. And actually, R-32, guys, has a lower global warming potential than the R-410A. However, this is still in contrast, guys, to true hydrocarbons like Duracool R290, a propane-based refrigerant, or R600A, an isobutane, or of course the commercial applications of R717, which is ammonia, which is used in commercial refrigerant applications, particularly in the marine industry. These are organic compounds, and these are not available to us consumers. So you're best off right now, as far as I can see, with R32. It's a hydrofluorocarbon, HFC. It's got a lower global warming potential than the R410A, which is also known as Puron. Thanks for watching.